Are you feeling like you missed the boat on investing in silver and gold because you're over 50? You're not alone. Many people worry that it's too late to start building their wealth in precious metals. As we age, we often reflect on our financial decisions and wonder if we're doing enough to secure our future. That's why I want to talk to you about a smart financial strategy that can make a significant difference in your golden years: stacking silver and gold. As you approach retirement age, you start to realize that your hard-earned savings can quickly be eroded by inflation, economic uncertainty, and market volatility. That's why it's crucial to diversify your portfolio and invest in assets that have historically performed well during times of turmoil. Silver and gold, as precious metals, have consistently maintained their value even when the stock market takes a hit. Think about it. We've seen it happen before. A seemingly robust economy can suddenly take a turn for the worse, leaving many people scrambling to protect their wealth. By investing in silver and gold, you can safeguard your retirement nest egg and ensure that you have a tangible asset to fall back on. Furthermore, silver and gold have a unique characteristic that makes them an attractive option for those over 50. They're not affected by digital hacks or cyber attacks. Your wealth is not reliant on a digital platform, making it virtually theft-proof. In an increasingly digital age, this is a reassuring thought. When it comes to stacking silver and gold, it's essential to have a solid strategy in place. One of the most critical decisions you'll make is choosing the right types of metals to invest in. Not all silver and gold is created equal. Look for coins or bars that are 99.9% pure or higher. You want to ensure that your investment has the highest integrity and is easily recognizable. For additional tips and an in-depth dive into my stacking strategy, Stacking with Purpose, click on the link above. I will also leave a link in the comments section. Do the community a favor and type the number 1 in the comments section below if you currently have a stacking strategy, and type the number 0 in the comment section below if you do not have a stacking strategy. These results will be interesting for us all to know. Another crucial aspect to consider is where to buy your silver and gold. You'll want to research reputable dealers who can provide you with authentic products at a fair price. Be cautious of the dealers who are trying to make a quick buck. Do your due diligence and read reviews from other customers before making a purchase, and reach out to me with any questions you might have. I would be happy to give you my thoughts. It's what I'm here for. In addition to buying from reputable dealers, it's also important to consider storage and security. You'll want to think about how you'll store your silver and gold safely and securely, whether it's in a home safe, a safety deposit box, or through a third-party storage facility. By stacking silver and gold, you're taking control of your financial future and making a conscious decision to protect your wealth. Remember, it's never too late to start. Every step you take towards securing your financial future is a step in the right direction. In conclusion, stacking silver and gold is a smart financial strategy that can make a significant difference in your golden years. By understanding the benefits of precious metals and implementing a solid strategy, you can safeguard your retirement nest egg and ensure that you have a tangible asset to fall back on. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Start building your wealth in silver and gold today. Remember, every small step counts, and it's never too late to take control of your financial future. As you consider your financial future, I encourage you to reflect on how stacking silver and gold can play a role in your retirement planning. Think about your goals and how precious metals can help you achieve them. By taking action now, you'll be one step closer to securing the financial freedom you deserve. Thanks for watching. If you've had any experiences with stacking silver and gold, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on planning, goal setting, and my stacking strategy, Stacking with Purpose. See my playlist, Stacking with Purpose, Stacking Strategy. Turbo out.